everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a dream blue smoky eye. I was inspired to make this makeup look at especially the eyes because of my beautiful outfit that I am wearing, which I am obsessed over it. It's got royal blue, turquoise blue as well, which I wore to a party last week. Here are a couple of pictures and it's such a gorgeous look to wear for any parties, wedding and also Eid which is coming. So I thought I will film it for you. So if you'd like to see how I got the makeup look, then let's get straight to the tutorial. So as always, I'm starting off with the eyes first. I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Honey to my eyes. Now I'm taking Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder and I'm using that as an eyebrow highlight before taking the shade Hipster from the Weekend Festival by PAC Cosmetics and running that along my crease. I wanted quite a deep crease for this look because I knew I was going to go in with bright colors under the actual lid. So I wanted to make sure this is a little bit deeper than usual. Here I'm just making sure both my eyes are looking as even as possible before going in with this shade Palooza from the same palette. This color matches with my outfit and I'm just packing this on quite a few layers into these colors, inner 2/3 of my eye. Once I was done with that, I wanted to grab this shade here which is Wicked from the same palette because it is one kind of bluish purple that I had which matched my outfit. So I'm just packing this on to the outer third of my eyes which we left blank, and then I wanted to go in and kind of diffuse out the edges. So I took the end of my kind of eye cream tube and I'm deepening up with the outer corners, and once I was done with that and happy with the way that it was kind of looking, I just wanted to make sure that the crease was nice and blended out. So I'm taking the shade Hipster with a fluffy brush. I'm just blending my any edges and just all the colors together. So it looks nice and seamless and there's no kind of harsh line in between any of them. Now moving out eyeliner, I'm using Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner and I'm just tightlining my upper waterline, then taking my Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, which you guys probably know by now. This is my favorite mascara. I'm just putting a couple of layers of this onto my top lashes. I did not need them to be anything extra special because I'm going in with some falsies. So here you can see me putting on them and they're the PAC 52. You can totally skip these lashes if you don't feel comfortable wearing them. So now I am moving on to my winged eyeliner and I'm using the Maybelline Hyperglossy liquid eyeliner and I am still loving. I'm just adding a wing to both of my eyes. I love building my wing up very slowly. This just helps me make less mistakes. So here you can see me kind of building up the wing, and right at the end I am fixing both of the wings to make them look as similar as possible. And once I was happy with that, I actually had my base already done. So these are the two foundations that I use. They will be linked in the bottom bar as well. Next, moving on to concealing and highlighting, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I'm putting it on in the usual places of my face. So in upside down triangle shapes underneath my eyes and forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, around my mouth and Cupid's bow before going in and blending all of these lines away with my beauty blender. And I go and move in around side because that has a little bit of foundation on, so it helps kind of like lessen the brightening. And then I also did my brows. Use my L.A Girl PRO contour cream. I am just slightly contouring my face. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too much, but here I have just kind of showed you exactly all the areas that I am highlighting, the usual places, before going in and blending all of that out with my beauty blender. Next up, it's time to set all those areas, so I'm going in with the L.A Girl PRO powder and setting all of those areas where we concealed and highlighted. And to set my contour, I'm using Maybelline Mustard Contour Palette, and I'm just going over those areas which we contoured. The highlight I used Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder, and I'm just putting on the high points of my cheeks, and then I also put some of bridge of my nose and just above my cupid bows. And for blush, I use Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's another favorite of mine. It's such a gorgeous peachy shade, and I went this color so it would match the lips that I was gonna wear. To finish off the eyes, I am taking again the shade Hipster from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just smoking out the lower lash line. And it does not have to be super duper neat, but you want to make sure you get your waterline as well. And to add a little bit of glamour and a little bit of glitter, a bit to light to this look, I used a Wet n Wild color icon eyeshadow and started lining straight onto where we put that weekend festival eyeshadow, and this just adds such a nice twinkle and sparkle to the look, which is perfect for parties. Next up, just finishing off the eyes, I'm just adding some of the same Hypercurl mascara onto my lower lashes before moving on to the lips. And for my lips, I used this L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Deep Raspberry lipstick, just a little bit for light color. So yeah, this you guys, it's the final look and the makeup. I'm so in love with this kind of color combination, and this is my outfit. It just seriously so stunning. I am so glad that this kind of inspired me to create this makeup look. So if you guys enjoyed my video, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, then let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I guess that's all for now, you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.